Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hasanatun. I'm from the second class regular of senior high school, the boarding school of Nazhatul Tulab. I'm from India. I wanted to approach presentation question UTBK English. Number one, over the journalist legation on December 1 from Hong Kong cable television, a major subscription-based TV station in Hong Kong, in protest after the media company fired 40 editorial staff in what is perceived as a political crackdown. Those laid off include the head of the China Dutch and the entire team of the award-winning New Lens program. The book skirts church financial question for the layoff, claim the newsroom staff audit the entire China Dutch. A total of 12 people has since engaged in protest, along with the head of the international and finance desk and the New Rome chief executive editor. Their leaders were sudden and immediate, even if those who were said were told to leave the office on the same day. Insuch member of Tigers outside the room of the new director demanding an explanation. Among those laid off is one line former deputy new editor and the China Dutch. On a video aired on December 2, the management claimed that the decision was made out of financial difficulty, remarking that in August, enterprise limits for the new manager, who said that the new manager of the editorial request, such as live broadcast of China, French minister regular press conference, or meditating paddling. According to Wong, in New Rome, staff was on conflict with such request. The Hong Kong Journalists Association commented on the layoff. Even the new lunch team's conference of the police and administration, it differs not to see this as menacing, sensitive. Based on the text, the trigger of this resignation and mess in the belief that the previous players were politically motivated. B. Financial pressure affected the layoff the most. C. The journalists forced demand for higher salary. D. Political crackdown barely prompted the layers. E. The management disapproved of steps result on demand. Okay, I am answer this number one. In this method, we must determine the truths of belief that are the trigger or cause of the mass resignation of the journalists at the beginning of the first paragraph. Instead, more than 12 journalists resigned on December 1 from Hong Kong Cable Television Limited in protest after the media company fired 40 editorial staff in what is considered a political crackdown. The author continued. The book's best explanation for the layers claim that made it be new on staff. Furthermore, the second paragraph states one of the dismissed was contacting former Jeffrey new editor at China Dutch. He rebuilt management claimed that decision, one take to financial discourse, saying that in August, management fired the executive director Fang Stang-Fung and replaced him with four new managers. Based on the explanation, we can see that the mass resignation, more than 12 people were taken by delays for 40 editorial staff. They believe these best actions are not actually caused by financial difficulties, but a political element. In other words, they believe in the delays are political motives. Circus is right. Number two, dealing with the issue discussed in the text, the statement above may lead the reader to the assumption: A. The management claim should have been kept by all parties. B. The division to 5 Fang Tang-Hung was taken with condescension. D. The director Fang Tang-Hung was not as competent as for new manager. D. There was an illogical situation to claim financial difficulties as the reason for the loss of. The management tried to offer up their financial difficulties by cutting the number of employees. So, answer, the meaning of the above statement is heroic good management claim that the division was made due to financial difficulties, saying that in August, management fired Director Fang Tang-Hung and replaced him with our new manager. In this problem, we must determine the assumption that might arise from the statement. The resignation of more than 12 journalists as a front was their protest against the dismissal of 40 editorial staff who were claimed as a follow-up to that company financial difficulties. However, the statement contains in this matter states that management actually currently for new manager after firing a director. The statement indicates the company can to still have a niche case because they recruit for manager at once. Even though they previous 5-1 person citing financial difficulties, logically, if the company is expressing financial difficulties, they will think again to hear them on once. Thus, the most likely assumption that arises from the statement is D. Logical situation to claim financial distress as the reason for layers of layers. So, the correctly answer choice is D. Thank you so much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.